Deciphering Hit Pan, a deep dive into a common phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning of the phrase, hit pan. This might sound like something related to cooking or perhaps an outdoor activity, but it's neither. Stick around to learn more about this intriguing English idiom. Before diving into the idiomatic meaning, let's break down the words. Hit. Literally, this word means to come into contact with something quickly and forcefully. For example, the baseball hit the window. Pan. In a literal sense, a pan is a metal or plastic container that's usually flat and shallow. It's commonly associated with cooking, like a frying pan. Combining them, you might imagine someone striking a cooking utensil. But in the world of idioms, things aren't always as they seem. When someone says they've hit pan, they're usually not talking about cooking at all. Instead, this phrase is popular in the makeup and cosmetics community. To hit pan means to use a product, like eyeshadow, blush, or powder, so much that the metal or plastic pan beneath the product becomes visible. Imagine using your favorite eyeshadow daily. Over time, as the product diminishes, you'll eventually see the bottom of the container. That's when you've hit pan. To truly understand any phrase, it's useful to see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. I've hit pan on my favorite bronzer. Time to buy a new one. 2. It's so hard to hit pan on this blush because a little goes a long way. 3. I'm trying to hit pan on some of my older eyeshadows before purchasing more. And there you have it. The next time you hear someone say they've hit pan, you'll know they're not talking about a kitchen mishap. Instead, they've been loving and using a makeup product so much that they've almost run out. We hope this video has shed light on this fun phrase. Keep tuning in for more exciting language insights.